Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. We're diving into the world of Mintable, found at https://mintable.app. This platform provides a gateway into the exciting realm of NFTs, offering a user-friendly experience for both creators and collectors. Whether you're an artist looking to tokenize your work or a collector seeking unique digital assets, Mintable aims to simplify the process. The platform facilitates the creation, buying, selling, and trading of NFTs, empowering artists to take control of their intellectual property and connect directly with their audience. Mintable strives to make NFTs accessible to a broader audience, removing some of the technical barriers often associated with blockchain technology. Explore a diverse marketplace of digital art, collectibles, music, videos, and more. Discover emerging artists, establish provenance for your creations, and participate in a growing digital economy. With features like gasless minting options and customizable storefronts, Mintable offers a range of tools to manage and showcase your NFT collection. The platform constantly evolves, incorporating new features and updates based on community feedback and the latest advancements in the NFT space. Connect your digital wallet, browse the marketplace, and discover the potential of NFTs with Mintable. Dive into a vibrant community of creators and collectors, explore a diverse range of digital assets, and experience the future of digital ownership. Consider Mintable your portal to the dynamic and ever-expanding universe of NFTs. They offer numerous resources and guides to help you navigate the complexities of the NFT landscape, making it a great starting point for newcomers. From established artists to aspiring creators, Mintable provides a platform to connect with a global audience and participate in the exciting evolution of digital art and collectibles. Remember to explore the various minting options, understand the associated fees, and research the different blockchain networks supported by the platform. Take advantage of the community forums and resources available to gain a deeper understanding of the NFT ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your NFT journey, Mintable offers a dynamic and accessible platform to explore the possibilities of digital ownership.